What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to have to download some free music. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to this link here. I'll put this link down in the description. Put this on here. And I would recommend after you're doing this, copying the link. So then you can just, copy it and then you can comment whenever you want. I just downloaded this earlier. So let's say you want to download some dubs. I'm just gonna get some no copyright music. It's 9 live. This is no copyright music, so I can actually play this. So let's say you want to download one of these. So let's just have a look at this and know what this is. You can play it a little bit. While I'm saying that, you can't even hear the music, so. And then what you want to do is just wait till this says this. Or till it actually says you can download it. So, it's just really simple, really. Press MP3 download. Then when it says this, you want to just click off of that. Then you want to go down here and press show in folder. I don't think you have to do this, but I've been doing this. You want to move it into music. And then just click X. And then you want to find this here Windows Media Player. You want to go to this, and then you can move the songs to your playlists. And yeah, so now up to there. You see? So then you got all these songs here. Now, because I have time, I'm going to soon be recording for 2 minutes. I'm also going to show you how to get this awesome background. First, what you want to do, you want to go to the Google Chrome. Let's just try Google Chrome again. Oops, I did not. Google Chrome Store. Yeah, theme extension, stuff like that. Then you want to go onto the themes. You can get themes like this, and if you want to have a specific theme, then you can type up there. Get all these cool themes here, and to see how to add them, all you want to do is just click. Let me find a cool one. Yeah, you see it's all these ones that people made. I think some people made some. I don't really know. You got Color Blast, you got all these. This is a cool one. So I'm actually just gonna add the Chrome. There is ones that cost money, but I mean, you can get ones that don't cost money. Then it's up there, it can change some of the stuff, as you can see. Then click X, go on to this. Then you got this. Now, if you want to take this off of it, then what you can do is go onto you can obviously undo it if you just download it and then you don't want it anymore. You can obviously do that. But if you don't undo it, go on to this, go on to My Extensions and that, go on to the one you want to delete, then press on that, but it's not coming up now. I'm sorry for this difficulty that I'm having right now. Okay, this is... Okay, 1 second, let me work this out real quick, because this is a bit confusing. Okay. What the? Why? This is not working with me. Oh yeah. If you want to take it off, just replace it with another one. And yeah, that's really what you should do. I think the reason why it's not working is I just got it right there. But yeah, you can get all these themes here. I think this paint splatter one is pretty cool anyway. And yeah. Also, this folder. Also, you know the mods that I showed you before? Built on this. I'm sorry, I have to keep on typing that because that's the only thing that really brings to this. I want to show you some of the best things that you should get. Definitely should get. First, I'm gonna say you should check out the maps and stuff, but the things I want to show you real quick are the mods. I want to tell you some of the good mods. What? I'm actually going to say something like that, but instead it's oh wow, it's the Creeper Friend add-on. You add it, you feed it with a diamond, and you can tame it like that. All I have to do is go to the next page, and this is starting to get old now. You leave all this other stuff and then go back into the previous page. I have not checked out this furniture one yet. But just if you're getting a bit confused of how to add it, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you go into this, don't enter any of your information on anything that it says here, because most likely it's a virus. So don't enter your information on anything here. Anything. Because this is probably a fake adfly. Yeah. That's probably a fake adfly. Best download like normal. I don't think I actually showed you how to download mods anyway. I don't really know. Oh no. Let's just close that. Let's open it up. Well, let's just download that again, just in case. Download. That is it right there. Press open. What the hell? What was that noise? It's for this loaded. Right then. It's nearly loaded in, so it's all good. Okay, import started. Little character. Successfully imported. If it says that, that means it worked. Just type in. Oh, no, it failed. Oh, yeah, that's. Oh, yeah, that's not working. It's a duplicate pack. Sorry, guys, I forgot about that. Let me see if it still works. Yes, it still worked. Probably because I downloaded actually a duplicate pack. So yeah, go get those two on. Then what you want to do is go into game, set anything you want up. I'm just going to go into creative now. I don't really need anything on that's important. All I'm doing is just showing this off and how it works. So most likely it's replace an item in your world that you normally get. Let's just press this. Let's have a look at some stuff. Yeah, as you can see here. Alright then, so this replaced that, get that, this, if this replaces something you actually need, then I'd recommend just not using it, because that'd be really annoying if it replaces something that you really need. Oh, but yeah, you get the point, guys. This is actually really cool. I wasn't expecting it to be this cool. Yeah, it's just... I am not sure how to place this down. This is die. This is die. Alright. Alright, this is all die. I can't really place this down. Oh my god. What is this? That looks really messed up. Oh wow. Yeah, this doesn't work so well. Well, that's just the kind of thing that, yeah, that never usually happens, so don't worry about that. Well, then you got all the stuff here. The exit file. Let me see this. Okay, I am not sure how to use this, but I'm going to keep saving so I can find out. That's all you really need to know about music and how to download mods and how to get this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Like always. Not always, but now. It's so hard to write with paint. Okay, this is just so hard. Bye. Yeah. Bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh my god.